I'm Ariana from Crafting Happiness. Welcome to my channel. Here I post crochet tutorials and patterns every week. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the granny pentagon and how to make it as big as you like. For this tutorial I'm using Aran yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. You should use the hook that matches your yarn. To begin, start with a magic ring. Then chain 3 and that counts as your first double crochet. Next we'll be making 2 double crochet inside the ring. Chain 2, then make 3 more double crochet. Chain 2 again and 3 double crochet inside the ring. Now we have 3 clusters of 3 double crochet each. We need 5 of them, so we'll be making 2 more. Chain 2 and again 3 double crochet inside the ring. Chain 2 and last 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and now we're going to slip stitch at the top of chain 3 you made at the beginning of the round, so right inside this chain, slip stitch. And now we have to close the magic ring, so pull the tail tight and the hole has closed, and this is your first round. Now we continue working in the round without turning, and we will start the second round by chaining 3, and chaining 3 at the beginning of a round always counts as a double crochet, and we will be working into the next chain 2 space. And inside this chain 2 space we'll make 3 double crochet, then chain 2, and again in the same chain 2 space we will make another cluster of 3 double crochet. So in the same chain space just make your 3 double crochet. And now we will be creating this corner in every chain 2 space. So jump straight to the next chain 2 space and again make 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Now again find the next chain 2 space from previous round and make 3 double crochet inside it, like so. Then chain 2 and again 3 double crochet. Three double crochet in the next chain 2 space, chain 2, and again 3 double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Now we reach our last chain 2 space where we chain 3, and we are going to do again a 3 double crochet cluster inside it, and then chain 2, and we are only going to make 2 double crochet this time because we already have this chain 3 that counts as a double crochet. So make 2 double crochet only. And now we're going to end the round by slip stitching at the top of the chain 3 you made at the beginning. So right here at the top, insert your hook and slip stitch. And that will close the round, and this is round 2. We'll continue with round 3, and we will start now crocheting 3 double crochet clusters in between these clusters. So now we are making a cluster in between these two, and the way to do it is make a single crochet inside that space and then chain 2, and this counts as your first double crochet. Then make 2 more double crochet in that space. And we've done our cluster in there. Now we're going into the next space, which is a chain 2 space, and we'll be making our corner, which is a 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So just jump into that space and make your double crochet stitches first, so 3 of them. And then chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the same space, and we are only doing this in the corners. Next we are going to do 3 double crochet in between the 2 clusters, so just insert your hook in that space there and do your double crochet. Now we reached another corner, and you can tell it's a corner because it's got a chain 2 space in there, and we will do another corner made out of 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet. All right. Next, we have a space in between the cluster, and we are going to make another cluster in there. So make 3 double crochet in the space between the 2 clusters. Next, we reach another corner, so make 3 double crochet in that corner. Chain 2 and another set of 3 double crochet inside that chain 2 space. Our next space is between the clusters, and we will just make 3 double crochet. And now we reach another corner, make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and another set of 3 double crochet in the same space. Okay, now 3 double crochet in the space between the clusters. And again we reached last corner, and we will do 3 double crochet, then chain 2 and another 3 double crochet, and now we reach the first cluster we made in the round, and we are just gonna slip stitch to it to close the round. So what we do, we're going to slip stitch at the top chain that you made at the beginning. Remember, you made a single crochet and 2 chains. We will slip stitch in the top chain to close the round. And this is how your third round looks like. And if you haven't noticed the pattern, to make this as big as you like, all you have to do is crochet your corners in each chain 2 space. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in every chain 2 space. So we have 5 corners here, so we're gonna make it 5 times. And then between the corners you make these little 3 double crochet clusters in the spaces between the clusters. And you can just go on with these rounds on and on until you have the desired size. Let me just show you one more time how you make round 4, and you can follow that formula to just grow this pentagon as big as you like. So what we do, we chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet, and because we are at the end of this, we cannot make 3 more double crochet in the space because it will look awkward. So we'll just continue this way, and when we reach the end we will make our 2 double crochet. So for now, chain 3 and move to the next space, and the next space is the space between 2 clusters. And like I said, just make another cluster in that space. So 3 double crochet. Jump to the next space, and the next space, it's a chain 2 space, and that means we will create a corner inside it. And what I mean by creating a corner is actually creating this set of stitches, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and again 3 double crochet. Next space, it's between clusters, so we will just make 3 double crochet inside it. Next, you have another space between clusters, so make 3 double crochet again, And now we reached another corner. As you can see, a chain 2 space. I call them corners. And so we'll be making 3 double crochet inside that chain 2 space. Chain 2, and again 3 double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Now we have 2 spaces here between clusters, and we will be making 3 double crochet in each. So now make 3 double crochet inside that chain 2 space. Then you make 2 chains, and again 3 double crochet in that chain 2 space. And now we are working in between corners, and you can see here we have 2 spaces between clusters, and again we make 3 double crochet in each of those spaces. Now another corner, so 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, two clusters of 3 double crochet each, and one more in the next space. And our last corner, make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet again. And now we reach our last space where we already chained 3, that counts as a double crochet. So we are just going to make 2 double crochet this time, and that will form the cluster of 3. And to join the round, just slip stitch at the top chain. So insert the hook in that top chain and slip stitch. And this is how your pentagon looks like. And just remember, you make the corners 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and in between clusters make another clusters of 3 double crochet. And this is how you crochet the granny pentagon. If you want to be notified of future crochet tutorials and patterns, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell below the subscribe button. Happy crocheting!